We're doing. Here we are.
So this is my landscaper extraordinaire. This is
Mr. Barter.
Jeff of Jeff's Landscaping, and he's a pain in the ass most of the time.
Absolutely, all the time.
But you know, we've had him for the last how many years?
4 years.
4 years,
and
he does our Airbnb,
Yes.
and he does our home here.
We could do yours too.
Yes.
But you can't have 12 people in there, okay? They goof everything up.
Yeah. So if you have an Airbnb, he's not liking that.
No.
He's
Those
not like.
people aren't Prescottonian type.
No. How long have you been here, Jeff?
34 years.
34 years doing landscaping.
Yeah.
And he's not loved by everyone.
Nobody.
But we love him, and
love
because
me.
he's been around forever, and you know, it's just the devil you know, and that's why we like Jeff.
Right. And he believes in God, so
exactly.
the devil is good.
And so
Right?
anyway, thank you, Jeff.
Thank you.
Love you, Jeff.
Bye.
You guys are the best.
Yes, so are you.
That's
Bye-bye.
right. 3 people to the Airbnb, please.